Hello dear Apple people that are extremely upset with their Apple earphones. Why are we upset? Does this look like your earphone? Is it falling apart? The edge is coming off, or in some cases the top is coming off, or you just don't like the way it feels in your ear. No problem. Earphone, meet your new best friend. Earphone cover, made by DEOS. These little rubbers are available in all colors. This is what you do. You take your earphone, which is in bad condition, you slip it in, just like you would a little kid, into a hooded jacket, the winter hooded jacket, of course. You slip that right in. It's very easy. The skin fits over. It feels very nice. Goes over the earphone, and voila! Brand new and better than ever. Keeps it in your ear and keeps the earphone together in place. Again, this is available from DEOS.